Welcome to our tutorial on how to apply hard wax at home. In this video we'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth and effective waxing experience. Let's get started. First, it's important to prepare your skin. Make sure the area is clean and dry. Exfoliate gently to remove dead skin cells, which helps the wax adhere better. Avoid applying any lotions or oils before waxing. Next, let's heat the wax. Use a wax warmer to melt the hard wax beans. Follow the instructions on the package for the correct temperature. The wax should have a honey-like consistency. Be careful not to overheat it. Now it's time to apply the wax. Using an applicator stick, spread a thick layer of wax in the direction of hair growth. Leave a thicker edge at the end for easier removal. Wait a few seconds for the wax to harden but remain pliable. To remove the wax, hold your skin taut and quickly pull the wax off in the opposite direction of hair growth. Try to do this in one swift motion to minimize pain. If any wax residue remains, use a post-wax oil to remove it. Here are some tips to make your waxing experience better. 1. Do not overheat the wax. 2. Test the wax temperature on a small area before applying. 3. Avoid waxing over the same area multiple times to prevent irritation. 4. Apply a soothing lotion after waxing to calm the skin. And that's it! You've successfully applied hard wax at home. Remember to subscribe for more beauty tips and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching.